You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning white wine. So how do you say white wine in French? If you want to learn more names of wines from France, like Chardonnay, and how to pronounce them correctly, make sure to stay tuned. They're all here on this channel. Vin blanc is how it's said. French for wine is vin, vin, not vin, vin, blanc, silent C. How to say white wine in French? French pronunciation, vin blanc. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, vin blanc, vin blanc. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.